What is biostatistics? Biostatistics or biometry is a branch of biological science concerned with the study and method for collecting, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting biological research data. The primary aim of this branch of science is to allow researchers, healthcare providers, and public health administrators to make decisions concerning a population sample data. For example, the government wants to know the prevalence of a specific health problem among its dog workers. If there are 2 lakh dog workers, it may not be realistic to test them individually and determine whether they have the disease or susceptible to it. A realistic and cost-effective approach is to study a representative subset of population and apply their result to the entire group. This discipline makes research possible by providing tools and techniques for collecting and analyzing and interpreting biological and medical data, allows stakeholders to draw actionable insights about a population from sample data. Biostatisticians usually gets their data from a wide range of sources, including from a wide including medical records, peer-reviewed literature, claim records, vital records, disease registries, surveillance experiments, and surveys. These professionals collaborate with scientists, healthcare providers, public health administrators, and other stakeholders. How does biostatistics work? It works by using statistical techniques to solve biological problems. The field required professionals to have in-depth knowledge of biology and statistics. Here are some important concepts to help you understand how this science works. Design of experiment. The first aspect is the design of experiment. The design of experiment is a systematic method of studying the relationship between multiple input variables and specific output variables. It provides researchers with the structured and efficient method of observing phenomena under controlled conditions to collect data and make discoveries. The typical design of experiments involves setting objectives, selecting the process variables, selecting an experimental design, implementing the experimental design, checking that collected data consistent with the experimental hypothesis, analyzing, interpreting results, using and presenting the result. Data collection. After designing an experiment, the next step is data collection. There are several ways researchers can get data for their biological research. For example, in public health, researchers can get data from these sources. Medical records can provide researchers with data about diagnosis, lab tests, and procedures common among a specific population, such as people above 50 years working in the police force. Claim data. Scientists can get data about doctors' appointments and medical labs in claim data. Vital records. Vital records contains information about birth, deaths, causes of deaths, and divorces. Peer reviewed literature. Researchers can also pull data from the articles and study that experts in a particular field published in peer-reviewed journals. Surveys. The research can collect primary data using surveys designed specifically for an experiment. Disease. Please like listen टेक्निकल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इसके साथ मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। Like, share, and subscribe us and technical.